y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all for joining me today. It is that time of year. There's really no better holiday to me than Christmas. And now we're in our own home. We purchased our house. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, we purchased a 1966 fixer-upper. Love our home. There's so many projects going on around here. We're DIYing it up. This project is not my main tree. I have 3 full-size Christmas trees and a mini one for the table. But not starting with the main tree. I have a special project that I'm going to start with, and then I'm just going to take y'all along through the process and hopefully get to share it all.
bow for the topper for my jack tree. I want a bow to go behind him. I found this really pretty glitter ribbon. It's not quite the stripe that I wanted, but I had such a hard time finding black and white striped ribbon that was a reasonable price, so I just went with this, and it was cheap enough that if next year I want to do something different, I can. But yeah, I will link below in the description the tutorial that I went off of from YouTube. But I'm just gonna sit here and put it together, and hopefully it turns out nicely. Let's see.
This is the fireplace in the den. We haven't made it to this room or touched it with any sort of renovations, but we have big plans for this. Right now it's serving pretty much as storage, so I've just been collecting pieces and sitting them over here for places in the rest of the house. That wood paneling up top is horrible. Absolutely hate it. That'll be coming out. But right now it's basically making the best of what we have.